So friends, today I am going to show you how to change this boring icon. For example, this boring cursor. So we are going to change this cursor into a macOS cursor. Okay, let's ready. First, open Chrome and type Divine Art. I will give this link in the description and type here 1 minute. Type here Mac cursors and enter. We will get, you just download this macOS cursor. You download this one, just download it, as a file will come, and as a file will come. I have downloaded it, so I am not downloading it now. Okay, and you have to copy paste it in your destination folder. I have made a cursors name folder Mac, and a zip file will come here, and you have to right click it and click it on extract here, and these files will come. Now find install named file and right click on it and press to install and do yes. Okay, now close all things and go to search and search settings. Open settings, go to devices, go to mouse, go to additional mouse settings, go to pointers, go to Mac OS Sierra Retina pointers, and click on apply and click on yes and okay. Voila, our cursor has been changed. Okay, once more I will show you. This is a pointer for normal select. This is for help select working in background. For example, some software is working in the background, and this is for busy loading. And precise select text and handwriting and unavailable and vertical resize, for example this one, and horizontal resize and diagonal resize, for example this, and then diagonal resize to move and alternative select, link, locate, person. That's all. These are that, and I would suggest that you have to on this enable pointer shadow. It is good because it will give a shadow effect on your cursor. Okay, we have changed our cursor to a Mac OS cursor. It looks very good. So that's all. I have to share this to you, and that's all. Okay, bye bye, and be safe at home. Wear masks and wash your hands every 1 to 2 hours. Bye bye. Wait. Be techie and be safe.